All right, guys. So Bitcoin has hit a new high price of 72,000 starting today. I did send out signals yesterday morning, and so we are still buying crypto. I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit a new high of 100,000, if not higher. That is just my personal prediction on the what I'm seeing for the uptrend here for Bitcoin. Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to hit 4,400, if not even up to 4,800, before tax season is over. So, this is for long-term swing buying. Now, it's all on the weekly chart. So I'm running through the weekly chart for you guys to get a chance to see how high I'm predicting and how high these prices are going right now. Uh, I'm expecting Litecoin to hit 120, if not up to 140, depending on how much there is for retail investors or even the big banks come into investing in Litecoin. Shiba made a massive move last night. Um, Not last night. I want to say no. This was on Friday, up to 45, and now it's ranging at 33 right now. So I'm still expecting for it to hit 40, right around here, and we'll see if it right at the 4,000 mark here. You guys see what I'm highlighting here. So we'll see how much more it's gonna hit higher. Best time to buy was back. Best time to buy was last month. That was the best time to buy last month. So those that missed out. Dogecoin, looking for Dogecoin hit 20 cents. And then we'll see if it goes even higher than 20 cents for this week here. Ripple going back up here, looking for Ripple to hit for 65 cents. And then we'll see if it breaks 65 cents back to 67. It peaked up at 67, looking for it to break above 67 to hit 70. And we'll see if it hits 70 for this week. Looking for Neo, buying Neo for 18, and then we'll see if it ranges back up to 19. High price so far of the year is 1920, 1925. Dash breaking through, looking for Dash to hit 50 this week. That would be my target here, 50, and then next move would be to break. Let's see it on the weekly. Uh, Once it breaks 50, the next move on the weekly chart, I would want to see hit 60 and 80 for sure. Solana has broken above this weekly resistance here at 138. I'm looking for it to hit 160, and then the next move would be 180, and then we'll see if it breaks back to $200 in value here. Zcash is still stuck at 33. I don't really see a whole lot of people buying this. Zcash is not one of the coins that a lot of people are coming in here, so but it's still maneuvering. I know it's still in the negative red zone here, so stuck at 33 and 34. So we'll see how much more it's gonna go. The highest price so far is 35. That's as high as I'm willing to go until there's more volume going in here. Tezos, looking for Tezos to hit above $1.50 in value. And then the next move will be to break going to weekly. The next move would be to break 160 and then hit $2 in value here for Tezos. But other than that, I am expecting Bitcoin to rally itself even higher than 72,000. Looking for me personally, my personal price right now is 100,000 for Bitcoin itself for this year. And then it'll probably end up ranging back down around 50, 40K towards the end of the year when people sell out for cash. So other than that, that's all I got yet. That's all I got for buying crypto. So I am bullish on all crypto, uptrend for crypto until maybe towards the end of tax season, which is April, and then we'll see how much more it's gonna dive from there. But other than that, any questions in the weekly analysis here or why I am bullish on crypto, let me know on Telegram. Peace out, guys. Happy Monday. All right, guys, welcome back. I am going to be talking about what we've been doing for this week for Forex trading here. All right, so the plan is to sell the US dollar index back down to 101 and 100. Now there's a retracement going back up right now for today. But for the weekly swing signals, we are going to be selling the US dollar back down to 101. And then the next price would be target 100. For indices, I believe I think we're buying all the indices, I think. Hang on, just checking here. I know we're buying gold. Yeah, so we're buying all the indices. So buying US 30 for the weekly swing buy for 39,000, and then the big move would be to hit 40,000. And then also for S&P to hit back to 5,200, and then we'll see if it rises even higher above 5,200 from there. Buying NAS for it to hit back to 18,000, and then the next move be to break the high of 18,500. Let's see here. Gold for to hit. We're buying gold for this week on the weekly swing for 2,200, and then the next move would be 2,300. So overall, gold is on a massive bullish momentum here, and it's still uptrending. Selling US dollar to the Japanese yen back to 146. And then next move would be to break 146 back to 145. And then we're selling U Swiss back down, US dollar Swiss franc back down to 87, and break 87 back down to 86. Selling UCAD, US dollar Canadian dollar back down to 134, and then break it back down to 135. I mean, 133. And then we are buying, hold on, are we buying this page? I just want to look, see if we are really buying this page. No, we're not. So we're selling Euro British pound back down to 85 to break 85 back down to 84. Selling, no, we're buying Euro back up to 110. And then we'll see if it breaks above 110. That's the high I'm willing to go for. And then buying the pound back to 129 to 130. 130 would be the highest price I'd be targeting for the British pound to go up. And then buying the Australian dollar back to, let's see here. It's at 66 right now. Looking for it to hit 67. And then the next target would be 68. Buying New Zealand dollar for 62. And then if it does not break 62, I'm gonna sell it back down to 61. This pair is probably the weakest currency so far of this week, compared to the Australian dollar. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Uh, Now for the economic calendar, I don't really see. We had daylight savings yesterday, which I already told you guys on Friday already on Telegram. Let's see here. I don't see FOMC at all. I don't know what the FOMC. Oh, the 19th. Oh, well, that's not till next week, so it's not till Tuesday. So a lot of CPI news, core retail sales on Thursday. So a lot of US news for sure this week. Um, Other than that, I don't expect too much of volatility because there was a lot of volatility last week. We might see a lot of high volume and high liquidity during a little bit tomorrow. And I would expect New York sessions to be more high volume, high liquidity trading, high volume for sure on New York sessions. Other than that, there's a lot of US dollar news, USD news for sure. CPI, core retail sales, um, and then finishing off Friday with the preliminary, was that Michigan consumer settlement. So yeah, University of Michigan consumer settlement. Okay, it's, I'm not too hyped up on this. That's pretty much all I got. Any questions in regards to the weekly swing signals and the weekly swing analysis? Let me know. Overall, like I said, we are going to be selling the US dollar back down, buying all the indices. I expect one more big move for the indices before they drop back before the end of the month, towards the end of the month of April. and then we'll see where it goes from there. And I do expect gold to keep going up. So gold will probably peak about 2,200 for a while, and then we'll see if it even stays above 2,200 right before summer starts. So other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Any questions in regards to anything, let me know in the Telegram chat group. All right, happy Monday, guys. Peace out.